English shortened TNGT passage intermediate December 1973 100 words per minute. Start. Tomorrow the nation will celebrate its 27th Independence Day, and on this occasion I have great pleasure in offering my warm greetings to my fellow citizen in India and abroad. The day reminds us of the pledge we took, the promises we made, and the performance so far achieved to give to our people a better and fuller life. We have worked hard all these years to end poverty, ignorance, and disease among the vast millions of our population. Our aim has been the establishment of a society in which there will be equality of opportunity for all citizens, irrespective of caste or color. In our efforts towards the attainment of our national goals, we have chosen the democratic method as the only path to real progress. I would like to lay the greatest emphasis here on the observance of self discipline at all levels. The most important sanction behind a democratic form of government is the confidence which the people have in it. It should be the constant endeavor of those placed in power to retain confidence. The political developments that were witnessed in some states recently are not conducive to stable government. In our system, governments are chosen by a mandate from the people. This mandate cannot utilized to suit personal ambitions or for gaining selfish ends. We have been confronted in recent months by a drought which has threw millions of our people into distress and near famine conditions in all parts of the country. We are trying to meet this situation. Several steps have been taken to remove the distress and to reduce the sufferings of the people. Currently, the monsoon has been good and there is fair prospect of a good crop in our country, where agricultural depends mainly on the monsoon. Relative periods of scarcity and abundance are inevitable, but this only emphasizes the need to observe more and more prudence in the utilization of our resources. This is more important so far as the essential commodities for the day to day life of the community are concerned. I feel deeply concerned that some people take advantage situations of this kind and resort to antisocial acts. Such people, I have no hesitation in saying, should be branded as enemies of society and punished under the most stringent provisions of law. Procurement of food grains by government was undertaken in order that state could ensure equitable distribution covering the entire population. We have also to build up a ready stock to provide for an emergency. All officials and others entrusted with the work of procurement and distribution should carry out the tasks assigned to them with dedication and without fear or favor. The successful implementation of this program is vital to the life of the community. Every citizen is entitled to get his requirement of food and other essential articles of daily use at reasonable price, and the state has special duty to ensure that the poorest receives adequate protection. Letter dated 15th December 1972 from Messrs. Ram Gopal Agencies, 10th White Road, Bombay, addressed to Associated Printers, Madras 2. Dear Sirs, we have great pleasure in acknowledging receipt of your letter of the 10th instant, and we thank you for your kind enquiry into the details of a printing press which you are in need at the present time. You will be pleased to hear that we have a press in stock that will meet your requirement. We recently bought the whole of the equipment, and this particular press, which has been very little used, is in excellent conditions. As you are aware, this machine is used in all firms that undertake high class work. If you decide to purchase the second hand press now offered, personally we shall be only too glad to arrange for an inspection on any day during working hours. If we do not hear from you within 10 days, we shall presume that you are not interested in the equipments. Any further information required, we will supply by written, and we earnestly hope you will be able to place your orders with us at an early date. Yours faithfully, Stop.